Dun, 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 dun. Guys, today is game day with Wreck-It Ralph Power Pack figurines that we got from Target. And playing against each other, we have the princesses versus the cast of Wreck-It Ralph Part 1. We have Disney Princess Mulan, Princess Rapunzel, Princess Merida against Wreck-It Ralph, Vanellope Von Schweetz, and Fix-It Felix Jr. in the craziest game ever by Hasbro called Connect 4! Who will make a connection of 4 colored discs? Will it be Wreck-It Ralph? Will it be Vanellope? Or will it be one of the princesses? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tubi Toys. Thanks for watching, and let's get started with the game! Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
You're going down, princess! Yeah, right. Now, everybody, let's just be nice. Well, this is easy to stack. That was so easy. Let's get started and play the game. Red team is Wreck-It Ralph. If you are Team Red, then say Team Red in the comments. If you're Team Yellow, then you're rooting for the princesses. Playing for the princesses will be M2B. So in order to win the game, you must be the first player to get 4 of your color discs in a row. So you have to get 4 in a row. So you can get 4 going vertically, 4 going horizontally, or 4 going diagonal. We're going to play 3 games. Whoever wins the most games out of the 3 will win 3 toy surprises. Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm ready, and I'm going to wreck it. We're going to win, and I want those toy surprises. That's right. We're always going to win against the princesses. Yeah, okay. I'm just going to sit here and eat my donut. I win and will be true about it. Okay, whatever. Let's just get started. All right. M2B, since you played for the princesses, you are Team Yellow. You go first.
Okay, I'm putting mine on the first one. Whoa!
Oh, you got to turn this so it doesn't pop out.
Yeah.
There you go.
Now I won't put it back in. There we go.
All right.
Ooh, okay. I already have 2.
Oh, boy.
Okay. I already have 3.
Blotch ya.
Block you now.
Oh. Who do you think will win? Oh, it's getting good now. Oh, no. He blocked me. Oh, sly dog you. I'm not going over there. No way, no how. Oh, your turn.
Okay, if I must. Drop it here!
Oh man, you got me. Oh boy. I'm not doing it there. Put it right there.
Okay.
Guess what? Connect 4! We won!
No, wait, no you didn't.
We got a diagonal 4 in a row, kid. We won.
No, you didn't. It's just 3 and then 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh.
We won. That's 1, 2 more to go, or 1 more to go. So if we win the next game, then we win toy surprises. You have to win the next game in order to stay in it to win it.
Ah!
And right here.
Yeah! I block. Yeah! Ooh, you got me good there. 2x. Okay, I'll drop.
Okay. Ooh!
Yeah, nice.
Ah, right there.
Yes.
Who's gonna win? Let us know in the comments below. Round 2. Is it Wreck-It Ralph's team or is it the princesses?
No!
Who's gonna win?
Oh, then I'm gonna go here. 3 actually. No! I don't think our team's gonna win.
Oh, come on.
I'll just put it on here.
Ah, wait! No, you cheater. Oh, yeah, baby.
No way. No way, Jose. I'm my turn. Put your
He
hand.
blocked me. Oh, boy.
Because I'm very, very angry.
You're angry? You're gonna be angry now. We won! I'm sorry, I mean, we won. You don't see it?
Yeah, now I can see.
M2B, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now I can see.
We won the toy surprises. You want to help us open them?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Good game, good game. We can't wait to see what you won. Whoever said Team Wreck-It Ralph would have won, you got it. Good job, guys. Okay, guys, the winners got this Mr. Sparkle Simpsons Kid Robot figure. Super cool. We also have Baby Secrets blind box. And we have a Pusheen by Gund, a surprise plush. Let's open this one first.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
How cute. These have interchangeable pieces. So you choose your cat, choose your place, and make your creation with 60 combos. Oh my gosh. How cute. Oh, how cute. Oh, look. Oh, it's on the laptop. Oh my gosh.
Let me look for that.
That is so cute. And you know what? My kitty cat used to sit on my laptop whenever I was on it.
Wait.
How cute. Let's open up this Kid Robot box.
One episode, and I love them, so I love The Simpsons. Which one do we get?
We got Mr. Sparkle coming out of the Mr. Sparkle detergent box. So cool. It's amazing. I love it.
And there's the box.
So the whole story about Mr. Sparkle is that this was actually a light bulb. It actually says it over here. It was a fish plus a light bulb from the Taramabuchi Heavy Manufacturing Concern. I love it.
We have one
Really
more.
awesome. Let's see who we got. There are 50 to collect in all. We're so happy to finally have these in the US. Yeah. I had to actually order these from Australia when we first did our other Baby Secrets video. Oh my gosh, look at this baby!
Oh, we never got that
No, look, he has a pail in his head.
Boy.
Oh, here's the birth certificate. You could name it. Oh, and there's a limited edition one with a koala.
I wish we got that.
Oh, wait, look, we got number 12. It's an ultra rare. That is so cool. So in order to find out if your baby is a boy or a girl, you fill up the bathtub with cold water. Go ahead, dip the baby.
Which one is... Ooh, it's a girl.
Oh, congratulations. What do you want to name her? Maybe we should have the princesses name her. Hey, princesses. Yeah, what do you want to name the baby? What should we name her? I think you should name her Mulan.
No.
No. I think you should name her Rapunzel.
No.
I think you should name her Bear.
No.
Bear? Oh my gosh. How about you, M2B? Do you have a good name for her?
Yeah. Violet.
Violet?
Yeah.
You name all your babies Violet.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Well, if you said Wreck-It Ralph's team won, then you can please say I'm a winner in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you like these videos, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys.
And have a great day.
Mr. Sparkle.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.